Hey everyone, Ian here, Mandershed Media, along with program head ABT Scott Kukarishan. As per usual, we're back to normal 2026. So we are playing a game today. We are playing the game. So Scott, I'm gonna let you intro it. We're in your domain. It's your baby.
I'm not even sure what I'm introing here, but thanks, Ian.
Yeah, right. We don't know.
Okay. Um, this pile of sheet metal here, this came in, we started this project, and this was a cooperative effort between our Auto Body Association. There was an entity in town that was looking after inner city kids, and we had some industry support, and we had a gentleman donate their car.
Wow.
This right here, it didn't quite look like it then, and they asked if the school would get involved, and I said yes, we would. And what we were doing was we were working every Tuesday, Wednesday nights um, with 10 to 18-year-olds. And we were getting them to actually fix this car. Well, this car was so bad, the quarter panels were already replaced with cheap aftermarkets. And this is just one part of the car. They were replaced with cheap aftermarkets. They were MIG welded partially, brassed on, leaded, and the lead was a half-inch thick, and then it was cold filled on top of that. That was just the one part of the car. Lucky for us, this car was very well supported by the aftermarket, and almost everything you see here, except for this piece and this piece right here, are the only pieces original to the car. Everything else that you're seeing on this car is aftermarket, and we were putting it together. Now, it's been sitting around. We had a little event happen, and this thing got put on ice for 5 years, and now we've come back. Now the story has changed, or the situation has changed, where the inner city kids, that wonderful place is now shut down. They couldn't survive, and the car actually got sold, and a new owner has, and they asked if we would carry on with the project. So this is the last of all the things that got put on hold, and it is now back in there. We're going to be hopefully getting up the rest of the panels today. But our question for you is, make, model, and year. What is this thing? We are putting it together. Everything you see here is aftermarket parts. We'll do a quick walk around so you guys can take a look at it. We're not going to show you the VIN.
I'm gonna cover it right now.
But we're going to do a quick walk around. No, this thing is quite a mess. But at the time, everything was thrown in and loaded on a forklift, and away it went. And that's how it's come right back in. And the one thing that we did on this one, we knew that this thing was going to be so flimsy that instead of using our rotisserie jig, because that does have a little bit of flex to it, we just opted and actually built a whole wooden jig, so it sat flat on the floor, and we were building this thing. So almost everything you see here that looks like the car is welded together. I think just the rear section to the mid section isn't welded in.
Oh yeah.
Because we want to confirm length.
Correct.
Don't want to weld that in wrong.
So a Mini Cooper.
But our question for you is, put it in the comments, make, model, and year of what we're building here.
So good luck. But we'll do a quick walk around.
Yep. Hey, winner gets a decal?
Winner gets decal, Mandershed Media decal, for sure. Even 2. I'll put 2 on it. Okay? All right. Okay, here's your walk around. It's like the Wheel of Fortune, RSTLNE. Can you guess the word? I don't know. I would. I do, obviously. I know what it is, but I think it would take me a minute to actually for sure. There you go. 40 seconds. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.